Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove age restriction on YouTube app. To remove age restrictions on YouTube app, you will need to first open your YouTube application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to a new page. In this page, you will be able to locate the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and then here under account section, select the general option. Simply tap on it and now here you will need to look for the option restricted mode. Now you will need to simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off, which allow you to view more content. Here, if the restricted mode is disabled but you still encounter age restrictions, then it may be due to your age in your Google account. For that, you will need to come back to the previous page. Here in this page, tap on this Google account and then you will be taken to your Google account page. Now here you will need to go to the personal info tab and then there you will need to update your birthday to ensure you are listed as over 18 years old. Simply tap on the birthday and make sure to enter the date that proves you are 18 plus. After entering the correct birthday, tap on the save button at the bottom right and then tap on confirm button. After that, you will be able to update your birthday. After updating your birthday, you will need to restart the YouTube application and then you will see you have successfully removed age restrictions on your YouTube app. Now you will be able to access more content on YouTube. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove age restriction on YouTube app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.